So tell me how it can be snowing like this. Look, like I can barely see, right? Well, actually it's gonna, yeah. And yet the moon's out and there's a clear sky above. But it's still snowing. All kinds of craziness. But the moon's out and there's not a cloud in the sky. But it's snowing. Who does that? Like, for real? Yeah, I think there's something not quite right about this situation, don't you, my friends? How in the hell is the moon out with a clear sky and it's snowing? That's not climate change. That's bullshit change. Bullshitters. Moon's still out. Look, the snow's getting worse. Wow. What the heck, huh? It's kind of weird, isn't it? Yeah. Yep, moon's still clear. Clear skies. Yet it's snowing. But the snow's not hitting the windshield. Look. It's literally not hitting the windshield. And still clear skies ahead, up above us. And yeah, snowing this hard. They're really trying to keep me away from home, huh? Wonder why that is. Still clear skies up above us, but it's snowing. What the fuck? Yeah, right. God bless you all for being dirtbags. Love you.